Good day, ma'am. I'm Mark Rosales from Section Golf, and I am here to present my video presentation about theory and philosophy of police service. PNP Mandate Republic Act 6975, entitled an act establishing the Philippine National Police under a reorganized Department of the Interior and Local Government, or the DILG, and the other purposes and amended by the Public Act 8551. Philippine National Police Reform and Reorganization Act of 1998, and further amended by Public Act 9708. PNP seal meaning a symbolism. It consists Lapu-Lapu or the hero. Siya ang gibutang din sa logo because gifight niya ang land against the Spanish people so that our country will be saved from the Spaniards. Lapu-Lapu has the ability to have the leadership, courage, nationalism, self-reliance, and people-based, the people-powered community defense. Lapu-Lapu also personifies for us to the as of civilian constitutional authority. Sunod, laurel. Muna siya ang green leaves na dito sa symbol. 14 leaves symbolizes that 14 regional commands. It also symbolizes honor, dignity, and the privilege of a member of a noble organization. Where to call a public service is a par excellence commitment to public trust. Sunod is ang shield. This is symbol of Philippines Constabulary, the first national police by virtue of Organic Act number 175. Medal of Valor, muna siya ang highest rank ay highest honor na makuha nimo mahatag sa imo, or the Filipino nation can bestow its gallant sons the service of the republic. Kuha nimo sa akong pagsabot is nakuha nimo pero patay na ka. 3 stars. This symbolize Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and 1,700 islands. Sunod is sun. It symbolizes flowering, maturing, and ultimate realization of the glorious evolution of PC, Philippine Constabulary, and INP, Integrated National Police, into a national police organization. The traditional lights rays represent the fightingest provinces who ideals of courage, of patriotism, and member of the police must possess. PNP badge meaning and symbolism. Philippine monkey eating eagle, national bird. This symbolizes the swiftness, ang kanang kapaspason niya, abdik, and ferocity, the great or extreme, power, courage, and immortality. PNP shield, this symbolize the protection of all the citizen. Siya ang symbolize para protection sa tanang tao. And then 3 stars, this is stand for Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. 8 sun rays represent 8 provinces of ideal courage, gallantry, patriotism lead to the revolt against the Spain. Siya lapu-lapu gayna, they symbolize the bravery kaisog of the Philippine Police. Siya tulo ka ang sa diri. Service, honor, justice. Tulo na siya ka ni PNP service. Tulo na siya. First, service is the vibrant and cogent deeds and action in its response to needs and wants the people in distress. Service, imong serbisyo. Honor could be the overriding criterion and consideration in the performance of the entrusted task permission. Mo siya ang honor nimo nga patay ka diha pero pamaagi sa imong pag-serve sa imong country. Justice is dispensed to everyone whatever is due to him without favoritism or discriminating any sorts. Justice must be true, fact, equal, or equity. Laurel leaves din symbolize the competency, brilliant honor, in field of endeavor expected from each and every PNP. Philippine National Police, this stands identity of solidarity. Identity and solidarity, solid. PNP has a core values, makadiyos, makabayan, makatao, makakalikasan. This is a sabotable naman na vision ang PNP na po mission. Ang vision sa PNP is imploring the aid Almighty by 2030 we shall have high capable, effective and credible police service working partnership with the responsive of community. Ilang goal is pagka 2030 nga year high nga expectation nila nga peace ng Philippines. Ilang mission shall enforce the law, prevent control crimes, maintain peace and order, public safety and internal security, and active support of the community. Ilang mission is to preserve peace and order. Ito na lang mission. Next is organizational structure of PNP. The PNP is a line and staff organization because its structure is the combination of the line staff function organization. In this type of organization, the officer below must have weight command order from the top. Ulat sa command or order sa ibabaw. The officers below can make his decision without waiting for command. The commander above. Muna siya sa staff or functional organization. Attachment of the title police. The title police before the ranking PNP offices not only adds prestige and authority to officers' corps. By abundantly, it avoids confusion in distinguishing police officers from civilians holding similar titles na PROCOM Memo Circular number 92-2. PNP Supports Units. Muna sila ang nag-rank of Chief Superintendent nga headed by director. Sila ang chief superintendent, sila ang PNP support units. Fundamental purpose of police service: major crimes, homicide, murder, rape, robbery, arson, burning, kidnapping, and other heinous crimes. Offense against public morals, sila ang vices, gambling, prohibited drugs, etc. Those related to maintenance, peace and order, illegal possession of weapons, vagrancy, trespassing, assault, and etc. Police activities. In response to this antisocial or criminal behavior, police works includes the following PSBRC. First, prevention of criminal, addressing the root. Prevent ang criminal, pangitao ng root, agikan ang crime, pangitao ng para mapundang. Repression of crime, to not allow, dili mo i-allow ang crime. Ini includes patrolling ng mga police. Number 3, apprehending the offenders. Muna siya apprehending is to glukon ang musunod na mabuhatay pa ng mga criminal. Pakita nila itong nadakpan nila nga punish, penalty, and then i-deter ang nga buhatay pag criminal. Number 4, recovery of the property. Recover ang mga nakuha nga property nga stolen so that the cause of the crime which prevents others benefiting against the crime. Regulation of non-criminal conduct. Also to apprehension and punishment to offenders to secure obedience. Ang isa ni is education. So that ang public mahulog sa under the police activity and report concerning sanitation and public safety matters should matters also can be considered. Number 6. Performance of related miscellaneous service assistance to emergency such as search and rescue operations and assistance during accidents and calamities. Muna siya ang perform mag emergency search and rescue during sa mga nahitabong aksidente or calamities, bagyo yan. Fundamental theories of police service. Home rule theory. Police considered servants of the community. Muna sila ang kaya sa to sa Philippines. Ang police is the may mo serve sa community. But the continental theory is different from home rule theory. Continental theory is muserve ang mga peace officer sa unsa lang sa mga nay authority like royal bloods. Diya lang sila mo serve. Centralized government like France, Italy, and Spain. Muna sila ng lugar. Ang continental theory muserve lang sila sa may authority. Concept of police service. Old concept. There are two types, old concept and modern concept. The old concept is we have sila sa number of na arrest. Kung pila ilahang na arrest sa community din, na-fulfill nila ang term nga peaceful. Kuha nila ang peaceful nga or na-reduce nila ang mga crime cases. But sa modern concept, it is the absence of crime. Kung usa ka community nga wala na nahitabo nga crime, then na-fulfill nila kanang a duty. And then mas nindot pud ang kaning modern concept kay para ma-prevent pud ang uban nga mapadulong ay mga crime o magbuhatay mga crime. Nature of policeman. Policemen have a mind of a lawyer to guide the soul of the clergyman. It is the priest, the heart of the social worker, discipline of an army sergeant, and integrity of the saint. And he believes a community of law while seeing little but lawlessness. Believes in the goodness of the man while seeing man most often at his worst. He works in a community of men who resent his presence but depend on the faithfulness. Knows his jurisdiction like sociologists study of the society. And he must understand the people like psychologists. He must take the long view life like a philosopher and yet never losing his common touch. Basic police mission. The basic police mission has not changed since ancient time up to present days. Ilahang basic police mission is preserving the order by enforcing rules, the conducting or laws. Police organizational unit. Functional units, components. This is a police organization designed to work, perform specific tasks like a bureau, division, section, unit. Second is line units. Police organization directly interact with the public or people. Mo sila ang interact with people. Geographic or territorial units. Muna sila ang police organization based on territorial jurisdiction. Sila post, route, includes line beat and beat, assigned patrol purposes whether foot or be motorized. Sector, an area of two or more beats, routes or posts. District, geographical subdivision of city. For patrol purposes, usually its own station. An area, last, section of territorial division, a large city, it's comprised of designated districts. Types of organizational design. Nasa 4 basic structural types. Line, line and staff, functional and matrix. The PNP is a line and staff organization. It is because its structure is the combination of line, individual, or department organization and the functional organization. First is line structure, the oldest, simplest, and clearest form of organization design. Primary line elements of the police department are uniform patrol, investigation, and traffic. Nun siya ang line structure. Line stamp function, as more demands of services of police on police. Add internal support function so that the line functions can continue provide directly services to the public. The addition of support. Functions of the line elements produces a distinct organization form. The line and staff structure, the addition of the staff component, the line structure offers a number of advantages because such units are providing, relieving, achieving department, reducing or eliminating special problems. Next is staff, also referred to as a support or administrative. And all three terms generally used to denote the non-line functions. Staff functions will sometimes be further broken down to two types: auxiliary and support and staff service. Functional structure. The functional structure is one means by which the line authority structure of an organization can be modified. Principle of the police organization. Principle na prinsipyo. First is span of control. It is the maximum number of subordinates at given position. Maximum number. Span control is supervisor over personnel or unit shall be not more than what he can effectively direct and coordinate. Relate levels of authority shall keep the minimum. Delegation of authority. Organization grows complexly. It soon becomes apparent delegation must take place. Authority is kani siya ang may decision, giving orders, and expect to be obeyed. Responsibility and accountability. It is a double obligation. Responsibility is the obligation to perform assigned work, and accountability is the proper performance. Responsibility is defined obligation sa report delegating superior upon exercise of authority, performance, or assignments. Accountability is cerebral. One is conduct in respect of obligation fulfilled. This is rendering the stewardship. Number 5, delegation. It is the act of transferring selected responsibility with consummate authority to one subordinates. Delegation authority should superior to his subordinates. Unity of command. Unity of command means each person from bottom to top organized as just one boss, isa ra ka boss. Chain of command, it is unbroken line of authority. Links of a person, organization defines who consume. The chain of command is violated when one of organization member communicates in an official capacity with another who is not his immediate superior, subordinate, or colleague. Muna siya ang ma-violate niya chain of command. Traditional organization theories. Theory of organization by Ludwig Glick. POSD CRB. Planning, plano, outlines, what og outlines, and then organizing, establish a formal structure of authority, organize, staffing, mga personnel function, bring training and staff training, directing continuous task making decision, embodying them specific general orders and instruction. Ang directing ka, direct ka sa masugo ko sa isa ka personnel nga ani making decisions. Sunod is coordinating. Mun siya ang it is the manner of integrating the different elements within or outside the organization into efficient harmonious relationship, thus making them work together. Coordinate. Reporting, muna sila ang report what is going on inside out. Budgeting, kwarta, form of fiscal plan, accounting, control, muna siya budgeting. Bureaucratic management by Max Weber. Hierarchy, division of labor, rational rules, record, merit, maintenance of personal relationships. Administrative theory by Henry Fayol. Fayol includes division of work or specialization. Authority and responsibility, the right to give orders. Katulo, discipline, disiplinado, the essence of obedience, unity and direction, with one head and one plan, isa ra ka plano, so that dili man sila magkagugot. Subordination of the individual interest to general interest. It is interest of an individual or group of employees does not prevail or concerns of the organization. Urination of personnel to be fair to the employee and employer. Centralization, the optimum utilization of capabilities of personnel. Central scalar chain, the chain barriers ranging from the authority lowest ranks. Order, material human resources should be right place and right time. Equity should be treated with kind and justice. Stability, tenure of personnel. The employee needs time to adjust new job. Initiative, uptick. Spirit the corps, since strength, harmony, and teamwork become essential, important thing, ingredient, so that ang organization is effective. Open system theory is a flexible, adaptive, and organic associated with open system theory. Human relation approach, and una is Maslow needs hierarchy, arranged like ranks on a ladder from lower order to higher orders. Pasaka. Psychological, safety needs, belongings, STEM needs, self-actualization. Muna siya ang Maslow's need hierarchy. Herzberg's motivation hygiene theory. Hygiene factors relate to the work environment while the motivators relate to the work itself. Hygiene factors work environment equals to motivators. Supervisory practices, achievements, police and administration, recognition for accomplishments, working condition, challenging works, interpersonal relationships, respect and regard from others, status, advanced possibilities, effect of the job on life, personal life, opportunity for growth and development, job security, permanency on the job, money, financial security. Third is contingency theory. Certain methods practices are effective in one situation, not in others. Muna siya ang mga practice nga effective sa usa ka situation but dili sa uban. Because natay lain-lain nga mga culture or sa babay mga kain-lain na to. Theory Z. It includes job security workers, parasitic decision making group, Responsibility, teamwork. Muna siyang teamwork making group. Responsibility. McGregor's theory X and theory Y assumption. This is under behavioral science. The assumption that the chief unit toward this personnel determines how he manages them. Theory X, the average person inherently dislikes work and will avoid it. And the theory Y, work, whether physical or mental, is as natural as play or rest, and most people do inherently dislike. The new paradigms of administration. Chaos theory, from the word chaos, kagubot. This theory used too much happens too fast. Things are out of control. Kagubot. Quantum theory, police organization is a energy field. The focus should not only by one what exists, but also the possibilities and the future. It's a police function. First line function, police organization directly addressing the basic police mission to patrol, operation, and criminal investigation. Staff function will, just like I said, staff function is a support unit. So that staff function will support the line function indirectly or directly. Two types of staff function: auxiliary or support services. The communication and crime laboratory services, which gives immediate assistance to operation line elements. Administrative service, from personnel and training, which provides services that are less immediate assistance and supportive if the entire police department. Section 14, Section 30 of Republic Act Number 6975 is hereby amended to read as follows. Section 30, General Qualification for Appointment. No person shall be appointed as an officer or a member of Philippine National Police unless he or she possesses the following minimum qualification. Must a citizen of the Philippines. Second, person of a good moral conduct. Third, must have passed the psychiatric or psychological and drug and physical test to be administered by PNP or by any NAPOLCOM. Must possess a formal baccalaureate degree from a recognized institution of learning. Sunod is must be eligible in accordance with the standards set by the Commission. Must not have been dishonorably discharged from military employment or dismissed. Sunod, must not have been convicted by any judgment of an offense or crime involving. Sunod, last, must have at least 1 meter and 62 centimeters in height for female and 1 meter and 57 centimeters. Also must not weigh not more less than 5 kilograms. Brings the standard weight corresponding to his or her height, age, and sex. For the new applicant, must not less than 21 nor more than 30 years of age. Section 15, waivers for initial appointments to the PNP. The AHWE for age, height, weight, and educational requirements. The initial appointment to the PNP may be waived only when the number of qualified applicants fall below minimum annual quota. The applicant shall not be below 20 nor over than 35 years of age. The applicant not meeting the weight requirement shall be given reasonable time but not exceeding in 6 months. An applicant must earn at least 72 collegiate units leading to the bachelor's degree shall be eligible for appointment. Furthermore, anybody who will enter the service without baccalaureate degree shall be given a maximum of 4 years to obtain the required educational qualification, review, and consent. Commanding officer, an officer who has command department or bureau and division, an area or district siya ang mag-command sa department, bureau, vision, area, and district. Commission officer in the police, it is also called police commission officers, PICO, referring to police officers having the rank police inspector and higher. Non-commissioned officers in police, referring personnel having rank between police officer 1 to senior police officer 4. Ranking officer was most senior rank, highest in the team or group of police officers. Superior officer, one having supervisory responsibility either temporarily or permanently over officers of lower rank. Subordinates, an officer belonging to a lower or inferior rank. So sworn officers, all personnel of the police department of oath and who possess the power to arrest. So mura ta ko ang video presentation. That's all, and thank you.